Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Desi TV USA. Now let's take a look at very special news. Your trusted source for all the latest entertainment updates as we gear up for next month's BAFTA Film Award. The spotlight is on the coveted Rising Star Award, a category dedicated to honoring fresh, dynamic talent in the film industries. This year, the competition is fierce with five incredible nominees vying for the title. Among them, Marisa Abela and David Johnson have been generating significant buzz for their exceptional performances in two highly anticipated projects. So let's dive into the detail of this exciting story. The British Academy of Film and Television Art BAFTA has officially announced the nominees for the prestigious Rising Star Award, the only category voted for by the public at the BAFTA Film Award. This year's list includes five rising stars who have already made waves in the film industries, with two names standing out for their recent work in widely acclaimed projects. Marisa Abela, known for her versatility and emotional depth as an actress, has secured a nomination for her portrayal of late singer Amy Winehouse in the upcoming biopic Back to Black. Directed by Sam Taylor Johnson, the film delves into the turbulent life and extraordinary career of the iconic British singer. Abela's ability to channel the raw emotions and complexity of Winehouse's life has earned her widespread praise, positioning her as a leading contender for the Rising Star Award. Industry experts are already calling her performances a career-defining moment, and anticipation for the film's release continues to grow. Now, joining her in the nomination is David Johnson, whose work in the spy horror Alien Romulus has garnered significant acclaim. In this latest installment of the beloved Alien franchise, Johnson showcases his ability to bring intensity and depth to his role.
You came to this country for a brighter future for you and your loved ones. You've made it this far. Now it's time to become a citizen. With citizenship, you gain the right to vote, access to federal jobs, the ability to keep your family closer, and the freedom to travel with a U.S. passport. These are just a few of the benefits waiting for you when you become eligible. We're here to help you through the process with free resources and personalized guidance. Together, we can make it easier. Get started at becomeacitizentoday.com.
Delivering a performance that has captivated both fans and critics alike, his portrayal is being celebrated as a fresh and exciting addition to the iconic series, further solidifying his reputation as one of the industry's brightest stars. Now, the Rising Star Award has a storied history, recognized emerging talent who go on to become global icons. Past recipients include John Boyega, Letitia Wright, and Kristen Stewart. This year's nominees reflect the diversity and vibrancy of the film industries, with each actor bringing a unique perspective and unparalleled talents to their roles. Now, as the only BAFTA award dedicated by public vote, the Rising Star category offers audience the chance to champion their favorite performers. Voting is now open, and fans around the world are encouraging to cast their votes ahead of the award ceremony, which will take place on February date, with Abela and Johnson among the frontrunners. The competition is unexpected to be tight, making this air ceremony one of watch. So, with Marisa Abela heartfelt portrayal of Amy Winehouse and David Johnson grappling performances in Alien Romulus, the 2024 Rising Star Award is shaping up to be a thrilling race. So, these nominees remind us of the power of fresh talent in reshaping the future of cinema. The countdown to the BAFTA has officially begun, and we will be here to bring you all the latest updates. So, stay tuned to Desi TV USA for in-depth coverage of the award season. So, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. So, this is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. Desi TV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.